Hey everyone, welcome back to Slime Rancher. I'm Jason, and this is part 4 of my playthrough of Slime Rancher's Rush Mode. We're about to begin the fourth and final fetch quest from the Range Exchange. Mochi Miles will be asking us for various plorts. I think we have all of the plorts available to us on our ranch, so it should be fairly easy, but let's see. Mochi Miles, the last thing I want to do is make you look bad, but it's still on the list. Mochi Miles is not very nice, but she has a softer side, which she doesn't show often. But this game does really well with character development as well. Okay, 7 pink plorts and 2 boom plorts. Okay, we'll do the 2 booms first. Okay, and then the 7 we can get from out here. Lots of hungry pink slimes. Six. Need one more. Come on, I need one of you guys. There we go. Yay! Okay. So, now we have done all 3 of the gold Gordos on the island in the Indigo Quarry. There are 3 Gordos on the island, the Dry Reef Island. They're all close together. And we're going to have to pick up one additional one, either in the Ancient Ruins or the Moss Blanket. Then after that, head back to the ranch, collect any more of the plort bonuses. Before I actually head out, I'm going to do a quick round of the corrals, just to make sure that all of the drones are set up correctly. And now we're heading into the final stretch of the game. So I do have 22 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. That is all the time that I have. There will be no more fetch quests. Let's see how, if I can make the most of the time that I have. Oh, 100. Okay, I don't need the Aka right now. Get rid of that in the incinerator. A bit more for the fire slimes. Well, actually, there's so much. Set up a drone. Get you going on that too. You guys are almost out, so I'll get you guys a bit more there. Okay, so those are, well, there we go. Pick up the excess. Then I can take the market link with me and be on my way. At this point, the fire slimes are a higher priority, so I'm going to set this one up to make some ash. When the blueberries are ripe and ready to go. So I already have drones collecting plorts in this part of the ranch, so I don't need to worry about that too much. And oh, okay, got a feral slime over in the hunter rad largos. Should take me about 7 minutes to get all of the gold gordos over in the dry reef island, and it will take me a bit of time to make it to the final gold gordo elsewhere. You guys seem happy. That's good. And check on this ranch expansion as well. Nope, you guys are all like hungry. Did I not set up drones to do this? I don't think it must not have. At some point I turned on my flashlight. Not entirely for sure which button turns that off. There we go. Okay, 16 minutes remaining, so after 7 minutes on the island, should have about 10 minutes left. Oh, just enough stamina. Sell the puddle plorts so I can free up the backpack space. Some of them are going to go in the water. Any more? I think that's it. Okay. Did all of my carrots go over there? That's not what I meant. Well, we'll see how many gold plorts I got. I think all my carrots ended up over here rather than behind the gold slime. So if tar begins to form, it will just die in the water, so this is not a particularly dangerous spot to be worried about the tar. Okay, 29. I think there were some gold plorts over here. Yep. We'll pick up some carrots as well. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is a final round at the ranch. Then, if I have time to head after the final gold Gordo, I think I should have enough time to do that. So since I have one more Gold Gordo to go, I don't necessarily want to empty up the vac pack at this point. Come on, you guys. Already have tornadoes. Okay, you guys seem happy. That's good. Eight minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the game. Actually, since I'm closest to the teleport I'm going to need to go to, I'm probably going to do the Gold Gordo next. So, pick this up. Oh, come on, yeah. There we go. So those bins have been taken care of. Only 3 more gilded ginger remaining. Enough produce to make a good run. Gonna book it to the Gold Gordo in the ancient ruins, build a teleporter, and come right back. Which will bring me back to the main ranch area, which will show me which of the plort bonuses I still need to collect. This, of course, gives us a chance to hear the great music again from the ancient ruins. Scatter some carrots randomly on the off chance the gold slimes veer off in those directions. I think they're all gone. Okay. Okay, 22, not bad. Okay. What do we need? We need fire. We need crystal, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So we'll give you your favorite food if it's ready, and if it's not, we'll just put you with everything left in the backpack. Give those to you guys. Wake up. We have work to do. Okay. Fire is off this way. Okay. Put you guys back. Okay. The music has changed, showing that we are in the final 3 minutes of the game. And you guys are hungry, but I don't have time to worry about that right now. Plorts, plort collectors, plort market, activate. Plort tech, market link, install. Okay. What else needs to be done? That's all of them. Okay. Just as many as we can find. Some of you guys are hungry. Yeah. Not a great time to be darting back and forth too much. All of the shadows from the quantum slime sitting happily on the rocks there. Okay, come on. Okay, just over a minute left. Yeah, the tree's not ripe, so I can't do anything for you guys. Okay. And the final minute music has begun. See if there's any gold plorts we missed over here. Yep. There's none left to collect. Okay. All of the plort bonuses against all odds. All 16 of them, if I am counting correctly. Yes, I believe so. 16 plort bonuses. Ended the game with 118,863 new bucks, with a plort bonus of 95%, with a final score of 231,783. That's good. That's a good run. Rush mode is a very different feel than traditional Slime Rancher. There's lots of adrenaline, lots of quick thinking that has to be done. It's a very fun game, but a very different experience from the slow-paced, casual enjoyment that you can find from other modes of the game. So yeah, this is part 4. Thank you all for watching. I'll take a screenshot, have that to reference later if I want. Of course, I have this video to reference as well. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my 4-part playthrough of Slime Rancher's Rush Mode. Hope it wasn't too confusing, or if it was, I hope it was fun, regardless of whether it was confusing or not. If you want to see more Let's Plays like this, subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you all for watching, and have a great day.